Good morning, students. I taught you 3 pages of chapter Reach for the Top. In this chapter, you have read about Santosh Yadav, who was the first woman who climbed the Everest in 2 times. Today, we will read point number 8 from here. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Pole. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. In this paragraph, when Santosh Yadav was climbing Mount Everest, there was a climber who wanted to help and who was fainted on the way. But unfortunately, Santosh Yadav could not save him. There was another climber on the way, Mohan Singh, and Santosh Yadav shared her oxygen with him and saved him. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expeditions that invited her to join them. She then scaled Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled Everest twice and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. Within 12 months, Santosh became a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expeditions, and this institute had invited her to join them. She then climbed the Everest second time, and she made a record, and she became the only woman in India to scale the Mount Everest in 2 times, and she became a unique woman and unique place in the annals. Annals means historic records of mountaineering. And in recognition of her achievements, the Indian government gave her highest reward, top honors, highest reward, Padma Shri. Describing her feelings when she was literally on top of the world, Santosh has said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and handed it aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. It was a truly spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian." Now Santosh Yadav was describing her feeling when she was in the top of the world, means she was in the highest peak of the world, Mount Everest. Santosh has said that it took some time for the enormity. She cannot say in the word what was the feeling at that time to sink in. Sink in means to be understood. Then she unfurled the Indian tricolor. Unfurled means held it up high. See, held the tricolor high on the roof of the world, means on the Mount Everest. And this feeling, she cannot say her feeling in the world. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. It was a spiritual moment because we respect the tricolor, so it was a spiritual moment for Santosh Yadav, and she felt proud as an Indian. Also a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalaya. When Santosh Yadav climbed Mount Everest, she had a strong feeling Fervent means strong feeling for saving the environment. So she collected and brought down when he was getting down from the Everest. She brought down 500 kilograms of garbage, means wastage, from the Himalayas. It shows that she had a strong feelings for saving the environment. Okay students, now the chapter is completed. You have to read this chapter yourself with explanation. Thank you.